In this video I will show you how to change oil, clean the air filter, and some common tips and tricks regarding lawnmowers. I will start by running the engine about 5 minutes to get some heat in the oil, and any debris inside the oil will get suspended in the oil so that when I empty the oil it will follow that oil out. The machine is indoors, and before I do anything I will remove the spark plug cap. So now it cannot be started accidentally. Before I drain the old oil, I'm gonna check the level, and it's here, which is good. Ooh. While the oil is draining, I'm going to get some lunch because I'm actually doing this on my lunch break. When you have it like this, we can inspect the cutting blade, and we don't want any cracks or don't want it to be bent or damaged, and it should also be sharp. I'm comparing the position of the cutting blade here, like what's the distance between the deck and this part here, and uh, here, and I can see that this one is a little bit further in, so maybe it's a little bit bent. I'm not gonna worry about it, but this should have a new cutting knife. Some machines have an air filter housing with a screw or something that you have to release, but here it's just these. So the manual says to use a hard surface and just bash the filter against it to get the debris out, or you can use compressed air too. If you're unsure of the status of the air filter, you can change it. It's not very expensive. This oil is a simple semi-synthetic 10W40 oil, and I use this for a lot of different machines. If it's a very advanced machine like an engine or a diesel engine with particle filter, then you have to check what kind of oil to use, but for this I think this oil is good enough. How much oil to use? Yeah, I did a mark here, so I know that that's a good level on that dipstick. All right, we have filled it up with oil. Let's check the level. There. Don't forget about this one, or it will be a bit hard to start. All right, there might be some smoke coming out of here because we had it tilted, but it should clear out pretty soon. There is, of course, a lot of stuff that you can do to a lawnmower with changing the blades and the spark plug and wires and stuff like that. But this is what I think is minimum to do each year. And if you do this, you will prolong the life of your lawnmower. Maybe you feel that some other stuff is too advanced for you, then just do this simple thing and then leave the rest to some professional. Thank you for watching. Bye.